In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and deactivate a user in Odoo. We'll begin by adding a new user and then I'll show you how to deactivate that user when they no longer need access. This is a useful process for managing your team, controlling permissions, and keeping your Odoo environment organized and secure. First, open the Settings app in Odoo. This is where you manage system-wide configuration, including user administration. Once you're in Settings, go to Users and Companies and then select Users. This will open the full list of users currently set up in your database. To create a new user, click New. This opens a blank user form where you can enter the person's details. In the user form, type in the user's name and email address. Make sure the email address is correct, since this is often used for login access and invitations. Entering accurate information here helps avoid sign-in issues later. Next, configure the user's access rights. This step is especially important because it determines what apps, menus, and features the user will be able to access in Odoo. Review the available permissions carefully and assign only the rights needed for that person's role. Giving the correct level of access helps users work efficiently, while also protecting sensitive areas of the system. Once everything looks right, click Save to create the user. In some cases, Odoo may prompt you to complete or send an invitation. If that happens, follow the prompt so the user can access the system properly. Saving the user record alone may not always be enough if an invitation still needs to be sent. Now let's look at how to deactivate a user. To do that, return to Settings. Then go again to Users and Companies and open Users. From the list, select the user you want to deactivate. This takes you back into that user's profile. To deactivate the user, open the Actions menu and choose Archive. In Odoo, archiving a user removes them from active use without permanently deleting their record. If a confirmation message appears, confirm the action. After that, the user will be archived and will no longer be considered an active Odoo user. If you ever need to find that user again, go back to the users list and apply the archived filter. This allows you to view users who have been deactivated, which is helpful for record keeping and future review. Thanks for watching.